thing basically is the money level thing basically. He's going to press add. So money given by candidate. So assume that basically candidate given 20,000 money. Money mode is cash. Date of the payment assume that basically given in 24th. Cash given of 500. And then basically is going to press submit. So 70,000 basically was the money basically. Now basically rest of amount basically is 50,000 he have to pay. Again basically is going to press add. Again basically he is going to enter 20,000. Again basically mode is online. UPI ID basically we are going to insert. Then basically this is the data basically. And then basically submit this. So our remaining amount is 30,000. 70,000 is the total amount basically candidate have to pay. He paid 20,000, 20,000, 40,000. So 70,000 minus basically 40,000, it comes to 30,000 basically he have to pay. Now basically the again another information basically he have to fill basically. That comes to this basically. That is the money information basically he has filled. Candidate log information. He's pressed the add button. So candidate called when visa is going to come, or basically because we have taken the visa registration date. So this is basically just a log information basically. He is going to enter basically. So submit press button. Again basically he is going to enter. Again basically he called for ticket. When ticket is going to come. So one of the person told that according to call basically, whatever call basically he is doing, some agencies group basically are tracking it basically that how from where basically he is calling, what problem basically he is facing, what task basically he is doing, how basically government is going to write the stories basically, how basically government is telling that basically this person has called and why basically what kind of problem basically he faced. So this everything basically are tracked here by the calling department. So submit press. Now basically call is done. Now basically the agency amount basically. That basically is the 59,000 basically. The agency amount basically. And then basically is going to submit basically. So this is the agency amount. And submit entire form means entire form basically when he submits basically what are the conditions basically which he is going to. So that basically we are going to see later on. First basically assume that basically that candidate basically is giving online interview. So how basically that is going to work? So that basically is pressing by start button. So whenever basically is going to press start, so the interview basically call started. Hello basically this is myself basically Sunil Ramkrishnan Nair basically giving the interview basically, and this is interview related to the project manager post basically. Then basically I am working as a project, I was working as a project manager, have basically more than 22 years experience, 12 years as a project management side, 10 years as a basically the coding side, and overall basically experience is 22 years, and looking for the project manager designation, and basically I had done the work of CEO and vice president level task also, and basically I had done the work of the energy level task also. For example, one of the person told that text box is created from how many cities. So Sunil Arna told that basically text box is created from 1500 cities. User controls are basically created by 2000 cities. If conditions basically which we use in the programming basically that is created by 200 cities. While loop basically is created from 200 cities. Like this basically he started giving the answer. In next video basically we are going to see. So here basically this is stop basically button. He is going to stop. So interview basically has stopped basically. Then basically the recording has saved. Then basically we are going to stop the